Did you know you can also use an NFC card reader to easily log into your OneScreen account? Let me guide you through the steps. Log into your account by scanning the QR code and selecting Continue with Google. Once inside your account, go to the Accounts window, click on Reset Password, verify your email, and enter your new password. After setting the password, return to the Accounts window and click on Bind. You'll be prompted to enter the OneScreen account password you just set. Once entered, simply scan your NFC card by holding it in front of the scanner. If needed, you can change the name associated with the card. And that's it. Your NFC card is now linked to your account. From now on, you can log in hassle-free just by scanning your card.